Okay, so how do we make sense of all these different vacuum sealers on the market? What is the differentiating factor between all of them? What do they do and where do they actually fall short? All right, guys, let's really quickly go through what we've picked. And by the way, the reason we picked them, these are the top sellers online. These are highly rated and these are the top rated ones online. So we chose to start off with a FoodSaver. This one goes for about $240 online. Next is your Chef Preserve. This one sells for $79.99, not including if you want any of the containers. Comes with some bags. The InstaSeal, this one sells for $99.99. And then we've got the Beelicious Pro, and this also comes with 2 sets of rolled bags, also selling for $99.99. Then we've got our least expensive one by Bonsenkitchen. This one sells for $29.99. And then we've got the Anova Precision. This one sells for $74.99. And then we've got the Anova Chamber Precision. And this one sells, currently it was on sale for $274, but normally I believe it's $374. So by far the most expensive, second most expensive here. These ones are about the same. This one is just a little bit cheaper. And then you've got your $79.99, which is not a sealer. It only vacuums. Everything here is either external vacuum or this one is the only one that's chamber vacuum system. So meaning your entire vacuum and sealing is actually happening inside of this chamber. And I'll go through that as how that's different and what it allows you to do that none of these other machines will basically do for you. The Chef Preserve, very small unit. It's the smallest unit. Nicely designed. You can throw this easily in one of your drawers. Doesn't take that much space. The one drawback is this is the only one that you have to charge, pre-charge it, and it's got an internal battery. So you just have to remember that it's always charged when you're not using it. Again, this one, you have to use their proprietary bags and containers. And when it came to the actual liquids in their containers, we weren't too impressed with it. It feels like if you got the smallest amount of liquid in here touching this suction will fail on you and basically not give you that full sealant for the duration of what you're thinking about preserving this. For dry goods, for basic stuff, as far as like your snacks and stuff that you want them to last a little bit longer, it works really well for that. And again, keep in mind, this will not seal any bag. So if you use their Ziploc bags and you use the suction, the seal is the Ziploc. Other than that, there's no sealing function on that. Let's talk about the InstaSeal really quickly. If you're doing mainly a lot of liquids, soups, broths, and stuff, this one will do the job. This is one of the least expensive ones that we found that will help you to do sealing of bags for your freezer and fridge, and does it really well with the sealing part of liquids, mainly because of the design of it and how it stands up. It allows you, there is a level of input from you, from the user, in order to get that seal and get most of that air out, because it's not a vacuum and seal for liquids, it's just a seal. It will also work for other types of foods, marinades, dry foods, anything like that, where you do need the vacuum function. It does have that. It also is the only one that has the basically suction legs to kind of hold it in place, mainly because it's designed and it's like standing up a little bit higher. So it stays in place pretty well. One of the things you'll see in the full video, we discovered it's got an accessory for your tube suction for, again, your wines and other accessories, but it didn't come with one of the tubes, and the owner manual doesn't refer to it at all. So we're not sure what that's about. We haven't been able to find that accessory as an additional purchase online either. So if anyone knows anything about that, please leave it in the comments. We would love to know the mystery here. The Beelicious Pro, this one has a lot of different functionalities, all the way from giving you your vacuum seal on dry goods to what they call moist, and all the way to moist plus, which to me, it kind of means your full marinated meats. The other nice thing about it is it's got a single and a double seal So depending on what you're going to be using the bag, you can choose between the two. But overall, good machine. It's a little bit on the larger size of the ones that we have here. Let's go to the Bonsenkitchen. This was the least expensive at $29.99. It actually performed really well. If you're thinking about getting something basic that basically does the job and you're not using it a whole lot, this might be the machine that you'll end up going with at that price range. It also does come with the accessory for tube for doing any external, like again, wine or other containers. It's got a seal feature that works really well, vac and seal, pulse, and then it's got the on and off button. So, and then it's got the button for the accessories. Again, you'll see the full video below. And this one, you can use any type of bag. It's not proprietary at all. The one to our surprise was the Anova, because it's a brand really well known. They've owned this whole segment for a really long time. And this one at $74, it's a very basic unit. It's designed well, it's small. It's probably the second smallest one in the lineup here. It just has very basic functionality. So it's got your pulse vacuum and it's got your seal, and then it's got your basic vacuum and seal functionality, and that's it. And somewhat easy to clean. Again, you can see the full video. There were some parts with this that we weren't totally impressed with. Anova is one of the few up here that if you use their bags, they are BPA free, which is really important to our household. Their bags are great for doing sous vide. And then the last one is the Anova Precision chamber. And like I said at the beginning, this one tackles the whole vacuuming and chamber system very differently than everything else up here. This is really the next level. If you really want to take your cooking experience, if you really want to spend that time in the kitchen and coming up with all sorts of stuff that you can make, this machine basically doesn't have any competition. You can pickle with it, you can extract with it, you can make your own oils with this thing. This does a really, really good job with your liquids without spilling anything and without involvement. Like, you know, you've got the InstaSeal here where you have to be hands-on, holding it in place, pushing the air out. This one, you just basically throw it in here, set it up, press the buttons, and you've got your end result. This is how I would break this down. As far as the ones that for me were a failure, I would not buy the Beelicious Pro again. I just feel like it's too bulky, even though it's got a little bit more functions and features on it. I don't love the fact that it takes that much space, but then it falls short of, you know, not giving you your marinade, for example, and then being this large. And also the fact that now I have to use only the cut to size bags, which for me is a deal breaker altogether. Again, watch the full video to see why. The Bonsenkitchen, again, if you're just starting, if you kind of want to see if this is for you or not, this can save you a lot of money. At $30, it does a really, really good job. It works really, really well. Does all the basics for you except your liquids and such. If, again, space is an issue for you, and you're either looking for just some basic stuff that you want to be able to reuse bags, containers, the Chef Preserve works really well for that. Again, as far as space, the InstaSeal, these are two that you can really leave out on the counter without giving up too much real estate at all in your kitchen. And this one works really well for all your basics. And again, you can use their bags or any other bags for this one as well. Let's jump into the FoodSaver. This is quite the machine. It works extremely well. It's a proven machine time after time. It's got basically all your features. So in my mind, yes, if you're not looking to get something that pickles for you, or if you really don't need soups and you don't need, you know, your broths and stuff, and you're not looking at any type of, extracting things into oils and whatnot, and you want a workhorse that just does everything else for you, including your mason jars, including other external containers, and being able to use reusable bags or cut to size bags or any other bags. You can also use, for example, the Anova bags if BPA is a thing for you on this one. Then this is the one for you. It's gonna save you some money in comparison to the Anova. It does a lot of that for you, except some of the things that I mentioned. So if I were to basically purchase anything from here, this is how I would categorize it. I wanted the top of the line with all the most features that's most important to our household. I would go with the Anova Precision chamber, hands down. If I'm just getting started and I want to kind of preserve some of my foods, if I'm buying in bulk and want to kind of, break things down, freeze some, put some in the refrigerator, the Bonsenkitchen at $30 can't go wrong with it. If you're looking at something that's saving a lot of space for you and you want the basics, the Chef Preserve works really, really well, but knowing that you have to get their containers and bags. The InstaSeal, you can use any type of bag. And again, it doesn't take that much space, just like the Chef Preserve, works really, really well at $99. And then finally, if you don't want to marinate, if you're not doing a lot of liquids and you want all the other basics plus the flexibility on containers, you can't go wrong with the FoodSaver. In my opinion, the Beelicious and also the Anova Precision, those two I personally would not buy again. I hope this was informative for you guys. I hope the review was in depth enough for you guys to be able to make the right decision for purchasing the right vacuum sealer for your kitchen. As always, OnToReviews, saving you time, saving you money. We'll do the work so you don't have to. And again, let's try to eliminate returns together and the waste. Give it a like and subscribe and come back for more. Thank you guys so much.